Advancing Prefab videos are sponsored by Mandville Modular Inc., premier manufacturing.
Hey everyone, this is Sneha Kamari back from Offsite Dirt at Advancing Prefab 2025. 3 years in a row. I'm not going to stop saying that, right? Because I love this conference, love everything about it. And one of the testament is right here with me. I met Bobby DeVoursney from Custom Home Shop, located in Florida, a brand new connection through a common connection. And I'm so excited to be talking to him today and bring his story in front of all of you. So Bobby, thank you so much for being here and chatting with me. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your journey, and Custom Home Shop.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate being here. I met some great people. It's a great conference. Custom Home Shop and CHS Commercial are two lines of business we have in the northern panhandle of Florida. We are very focused on modular building. Traditionally, we've done traditional modular building. We've moved into more proprietary stuff, non-combustible, things like that will really help out some of the areas that have been affected by the weather, climate, et cetera, in the recent weeks, months, et cetera. So yeah, we're really trying to break into that. We've vertically integrated ourselves with a Supreme insulated panel system, which is called Supreme SIPs out of Mobile, Alabama, so not too far away from us. So we've really made a structure that's wind resistant, fireproof, everything you can imagine, mold, etc. So we're excited to get that into the market and start trying to make a difference for sure.
And I am super excited that you talk about wind resistant, fire resistant, all of that, because I live in California, Southern California, and LA saw some really bad fires, and we really need to go back and rebuild LA. And when we were talking about these conversations, there are companies winning projects and the insurance companies calling out of good and things like that. I think your technology is absolutely coming in at the right time to be able to support construction, especially in those areas that have been hit by these natural calamities.
Yeah, well, you're basically a part of it. So shout out to our friends, in California and North Carolina and Florida that have been affected by some of these non-controllable wind factors and fires. But it's not just Southern California. Unfortunately, the wine industry got hit several years ago in Napa. So modular construction is a great thing, right? Because we're not just building, we can come in and replace your home and it'll be replaced for the last time. As I said, we have the fire ratings and all that to sustain all this stuff. But we can go in and protect, your biggest assets for your company, such as we can build your warehouses out of this modular technology, this, that, and the other. And it really negates a lot of the prefab world negates a lot of the unforeseen hesitations on site and this, that, and the other.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
We're excited.
Tell me something about your takeaway from this conference specifically. What did you come in here for? Connections, networking, or more business?
Yeah. So as I said, we have this new proprietary technology which is non-combustible. We're rolling it out, and we've just kind of got the IP in the stage where we can come out and say, hey, we have this technology. Who wants to partner with us? Who wants to see us make a difference in the world? And in fact, I have a $7 million contract that I'm searching for national partners on the design side, architectural side, to kind of help us vertically integrate this project. Yeah, so I came here for several reasons. One, to gauge the industry and to be around people that are passionate about kind of not reinventing the wheel, but just kind of making it a little bit more rounder, and then also to help bring some people here some business and partner in a great project. Which is going to be in Delray Beach, Florida, which is a great area, and meet some people that are really entertained and just hone our craft in and to really, the prefab industry, it's not new, but it's hard to get it into the mass market. So we're all here trying to do that, and there's nothing better to be around than people doing that.
Awesome. And you hit at the right point, which is partnership.
Yes.
When we were at the keynote, all we talked about is standardization through partnerships. So we are all here for networking, finding the right partners, and making sure that our industry grows, our businesses grow, and we do this profitably. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
That's me, Sneha, signing off from Offsite Dirt.